Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's stock photos and videos. Canva has a built-in library of stock photos and videos, so the quickest way to access it is to head over to your left tab and select Elements. Here you can choose from videos and photos. For instance, you can select See All and it will show you a wide variety of stock images. Likewise, you can do the same with videos. Select See All and you can see a bunch of videos that you can choose from. Also, to be more detailed, you can go to the search bar and you can search for a specific video or photo that you'd like to use. And when you're searching for a video or a photo, you can choose to use whether a free or a pro. So the pro would have the crown here, which states that this is a premium image. It's included with your Canva Pro plan. If you're not paying for a Canva, you can simply choose one that doesn't have the crown on it, which would mean that it is free. So let us demonstrate. I'm going to use this image and I want to set this as the background. What I'm going to do is click and hold one of the corner to drag the other one to resize this, and now this photo is set as the background. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.